Hey everybody, LaCourbe XP. I'm up here at Gilmore Crossing in Nashville. Here's the list of requested repairs. There's this crack in the front porch, and it spans the entire length of it. And this crack has been here at least 8 years. It was here when the current sellers bought it in 2014. Hadn't gotten any worse, but buyers requesting that to just be sealed up to prevent any water intrusion. And then here in the garage, there is kind of a stain spot in the ceiling in the garage. Now, when the agent touched it and tested it, she said it was wet. I don't feel it. I mean, it's not, this drywall here is pretty solid. Obviously this plaster is just, aged and kind of dry rotted, but this plaster right here is a little bit bubbly, kind of cracking a little bit. There's a little hole in it, but stuck my finger up in that hole. It's got a little, it looks like with a flashlight, the studs are kind of black, maybe some fungal growth or something. And it kind of rubs off on my finger when I get up there and fool with it. But it doesn't feel wet. It just feels like it's been there a while, and it's just never been fixed. So the buyers requested, if there is a leak, to fix it, and then also just replace this sheet of drywall here and replaster it in an aesthetically pleasing way. And then also there's another crack here, tiny little thing right below the leak. Just wanted that sealed up too. And then finally, go out here to the back patio. It's kind of dark, so the light isn't that great. There's a few more just little cracks here and there. Just want to seal these up, make sure no water gets in them. There's another one. This is going to be really hard to see just because it's kind of dark. There's one here, and it runs the length of this back patio over to the siding. And again, just kind of need that sealed up, caulked up. And then I lied. There is one more thing. There is a tiny little piece of siding. On the side here, and also kind of dark, but it's tiny, and it's not even wet. I mean, here's my hand for comparison, really small. Just wanted that caulked and sealed up as well. So that is it.